Hello, classmates of HIM 5342. This is Daniel Couch representing Team 3. For our class project, Asma, Casey, and I were employees of a physician's clinic looking to adopt a new electronic health record system. This topic is one that we were excited to undertake as it offers valuable insight into the careful planning and detailed considerations that go into a technology that we use every day. For most clinics, choosing a suitable EMR is the most significant decision they will make, as this choice will impact every facet of their daily operations. Understanding this, we did our best to convey its importance in our weekly assignments. I hope you enjoy our presentation. Over the semester, we worked the various assignments that led up to our final project. In this presentation, we will review these assignments, which included the team charter, the project scope, an entity relationship diagram, the requirement analysis, change management plan, and the executive summary. Successful project management of information systems and technology begins with a team charter. The charter is a document that we use to facilitate discussion, build consensus, and outline the norms that define each member's behavior and how we intended to work together to achieve our goals. Our team charter consisted of 3 key elements: team norms, conflict resolution plan, and the team responsibility matrix. The team norms. In this section, we established the patterns of behavior that were most likely to lead to a successful outcome. We agreed to kick off each project with a Zoom meeting and continue our discussions through text messages. We also vowed to honor our commitment of completing our portion of the assignment by Sunday afternoon and obtain group consensus before submitting our work. In the conflict resolution plan, we pre-identified ways we would respectfully resolve disagreements. We agreed to work out our differences between the group members and only escalate issues to the instructors as the last resort. And finally, the team responsibility matrix is where we discussed who would take the lead for each assignment and how we would equally distribute the workload. Through the semester, the team charter proved to be beneficial as the group met all deadlines while only offering constructive criticism of each other's contribution.
Hello everyone, my name is Asma Noorani, and in this presentation I will be focusing on project scope, entity relationship diagram, and requirement analysis for our project. So let's talk about the project description first. So our project description was a premier physician group which was seeking to implement a new electronic health system which is compatible with our facility needs, also safeguarding the privacy of patients' health records. For project deliverables, we did talk about reduced risk, compatibility, and privacy. Those were the 3 focused ones. As far as the task goes, we did had a list of 3 project tasks. First was minimizing the risk which was involved with health IT investments by healthcare providers. Second was guaranteeing compatibility of health IT products throughout many networks. And last was safeguarding the privacy of patients' personal health record. Third, let's talk about out of scope. Out of scope, our project was not considering an EHR which was specializing in an inpatient or long-term care facility. Also, health IT software, we were not considering any which is other than physician group EHR. Next is project assumptions. So we had many project assumptions, but I'll give you a few examples, like the organization will obtain all software and licenses within the agreed upon budget. That was one of the assumptions. Next was vendor will supply 24/7 post go live customer support, and we also had a training room, so which will be available as needed. So these are out of many 3 examples for project assumption. And last is the approval. So role for the approver, we had a client supervisor, we had project review board, we had other campus governance, and supervising manager. This is our group's entity relationship diagram, and as you can see that there are different sectors, and it definitely helped our group to define the data that is a part of our system. So just to give you guys a visual idea. Next, I will talk about the requirement analysis. So for requirement analysis, our main focus was security, privacy, and technical. So for security, our goal was that the electronic health record must have the ability to meet the federal requirements. That way, we can protect the health information as per the HIPAA security rule. There were some access restrictions, audit capabilities, and integrity controls within the security, and all of them helped system to contain the security tools to record or monitor the access and the activities and information system that stores or utilizes the personal health records. Next is privacy. Privacy is very important, as we know, within the any healthcare system. So we need this limitations for treatment and care management, for financial purposes, within families or other relatives whom patient classifies who are involved within their care. Also to safeguard the public health record, such as reporting the influenza, in the similar location. Next is the technical. For technical, health record must have the ability to meet the federal requirement in order to protect the health information management. There are few restrictions like access restrictions or audit capability, integrity control, or transmission security. All of them basically must require to fulfill the requirement to meet the meaningful use and other EHR incentive programs. The software should always include a mechanism that guarantees the electronic health record is not improperly altered or destroyed in any way.
Hi, my name is Casey Sendejas, and I will be going over the change management and executive summary slides in this presentation. First, I want to go over the change management slide. Change management basically identifies how the organization will be prepared for the implementation of the new electronic health record system. With our Premier Physicians group, the employees had to learn processes to ensure that patients' medical information was complete, accurate, and secure. The physicians group communicated with internal employees via email and departmental meetings. Communication with business associates and patients occurred via email and mail. The employees did receive training from the vendor prior to implementation, and those patients that decided to participate in the patient portal received an email with a link that provided training for the access of the patient portal and how to work it. Our executive summary explains how our facility will ensure regulatory requirements and how our new system will safeguard patient information. It also explains the current issues we have with our existing system and the solution to solving these problems. We scored 3 different vendors in our selection process to ensure that our selection contained the security features that we need and has the ability to meet regulatory requirements. Our financials are summarized for the purchase and implementation of the EHR system. The summary also includes the system performance evaluation that we conducted that included a load test, configuration testing, stress testing, accuracy testing, and efficiency testing. The three major keys to success are proper support for staff, training, and planning. Team 3 would like to thank you for watching our presentation.